Namaste, my name is Manoj. Welcome to this video. So in this video, we will learn about deep breathing, which is called deep inhalation and exhalation. Deep breathing is good for your lungs capacity, for your respiratory system as well as and also good for our nervous system. So before starting this practice, you need to understand two things. First thing is always use your nostril to breathe. When you are doing the deep breathing practice, you need to engage your lungs, your diaphragm, and also always breathe through your both nostril. Do not use your mouth to breathe in or breathe out. And second thing is about sitting position, how we will sit when we are doing this practice. So when you are doing this practice, if you are comfortable, you can sit in on your mat, any comfortable position, any meditative position like a lotus pose, cross leg posture, pleasant pose, padmasana, sukhasana. Or if you are not comfortable in sitting on the mat, so you can use the chair, you can sit in on the chair, or you can sit on your sofa. You need to be careful about your spine. Your spine always should be straight. Do not bend your spine when you are doing this practice. So these are the some instructions, so you need to follow these all the instruction during this breathing practice. So let's start the practice. So sit in any comfortable position, or during the practice you can keep your eyes closed. Take a deep inhale through your nostril, breathe in, breathe out through your nostril. Inhale, breathe in, exhale, breathe out. Inhale, breathe in, exhale, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, breathe in, exhale, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, breathe in, exhale, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, breathe in, exhale, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, Breathe out. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. So this was our deep breathing practice video. So you can do this breathing in the morning time, in the evening time, or whenever you feel some stress, you feel some anxiety, that time also you can do this breathing. This breathing is good for your lungs, your respiratory system, or also help you to release all the anxiety, all the stress, all the tensions from your body and your mind. So you can do this practice on your daily basis. So this was our video. So in the next video, we will learn about the box breathing, which is also good for our respiratory system and also good for our body and spirit. If you like the video, so hit the subscribe button, like the video and share it with your relative, your friends. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.